My name is Billy Williams. My phone number is 800-499-1942. Our website is MedicareHealthInsuranceOptions.com. We are an independent agency that specializes in the senior market. We make these videos for individuals who may be looking for important information to help them in the decision process. Our services to you are always free. We ask you to subscribe to our channel. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and also leave any questions or comments that you might have below. If you're turning 65 in the near future, if you are not yet receiving Social Security benefits and you do not have any other creditable coverage elsewhere, you will need to sign up for Part B of Medicare during your initial election period to avoid a late enrollment penalty. In this video, we're going to explain the different methods that you can use to sign up for Part B of Medicare and give you an example of how to do this online. First, let's talk about the timing. This needs to be done during your initial election period. You have 3 months before you turn 65. Then you do have the month in which you turn 65, and then you have 3 months after. So you're allowed to begin this process up to 90 days before the first day of the month that you will be turning 65. You must not be getting Social Security, and you must not have any other Medicare coverages in place. There are 3 methods that you can use to sign up for Medicare only without actually also signing up for Social Security benefits. You can go to the Medicare website at medicare.gov. You can also go to the Social Security website. Either way, you end up at the same place. So in this video, we are going to show you how to begin at the medicare.gov website. You will need some information to complete this process, including your contact information. Sometimes if you happen to be born outside of the United States, you will need some information about where you were born. Also, in some cases, you may need some information about a current or previous employer group plan that you might be on. I'm going to switch over to my computer screen so I can just show you a few things that will be helpful. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You can go to the medicare.gov website. We can also go to the Social Security site, which is ssa.gov. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to go to the Medicare website. You actually end up in the same location either way. So if we go to the main Medicare website, we're going to scroll down just a little bit where it says Apply for Medicare. Then we're going to choose this button, Apply for Medicare Only. That basically means that you are not signing up for Social Security benefits, but you are signing up for Medicare. This will take us to the next page, where you simply have to look at a few things here, agree to this basic information, which will take us to the next page. And at this point, you're going to have to make a decision here, either start a new application or return to a saved application. So if you had started this process earlier, you weren't completely finished, you wanted to come back, whatever you'd done before would be saved. In this case, we're going to assume that you are going to start a new application, which will then of course take us to the next page. and you have a question here. I am applying for myself. We will choose that one. In this particular example, we're going to assume that you have not yet set up what's called your My Social Security account. We'll say no to that question, and then we will say that you do have an address and go to the next page. Now this is about as far as I'm going to be able to get here, because you are going to have to go in and create an account if you haven't already. If you have already created an account within Social Security, then you will of course enter your username and your password. You will get into the system. You will have another series of questions, but it doesn't really take that long. It's a fairly simple process. Once you have completed this process and you are wanting to get Part B of Medicare in the near future, you should be getting your Medicare ID card within about 4 weeks. Okay, so you can see that starting the process online to enroll in Medicare is not that difficult. If you continued to work at age 65 and stayed on your group policy, you may have waited to get Part B at a later date. If this is the case for you, you will need to go in person to your local Social Security office. There's a couple of forms that you're going to need in this situation. One is a form that you will need to get filled out and signed by your employer. The next is a separate form that you will need to complete yourself and bring to the Social Security office. I will include instructions and links to both of these forms in the description of this video below. I hope that this video has been helpful. I know that the process of getting ready for Medicare, completing all of the different steps that are necessary, can be confusing and stressful. We are certainly more than happy to help you in any way through this process if possible. We can help you with the different steps in getting Medicare set up. We can help you choose a Part D prescription drug plan. We compare the difference between a Medicare Advantage and a Medicare Supplement as additional coverage to Medicare. We can help you choose a dental, vision, hearing plan, and we can help you in all of the steps along the way. Our services are always free to you, and we look forward to speaking with you in the near future. I certainly hope that you're having a great day. Thank you.